Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a lot to tell you. I will try to talk fast. First of all, holidays do not end at my house, our house. Well, they don't end till what, Darren? June? June 16th, our anniversary, but actually May the 4th for sure. And I am not finished sending out happy holiday happy mails. And I am working on Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day and Easter. And pretty soon I'm going to be working on May the 4th because this is an announcement video. So grab a piece of paper, grab a pencil, and write these dates down. If you did not get a planner or calendar for Christmas, buy one. It's perfect for keeping track of all of the collabs. I also keep a notebook so that I can write all the details in it. Coming up each month in the doll community, and this is really fun, we have all these opportunities and you can join in. I'm looking over here and let me open my new calendar, my planner, and I got the big print. On the 3rd of each month, we being Dory from Dory's Dollies, and I host a challenge called Amaya Rain Day. And that's really for any Rainbow High doll or Shadow High doll. Just we have a theme and you can interpret that any way you want. This month, which is in 2 days, on Wednesday, on the 3rd of January, is New Rainbow High Doll. Now, all that means is the last one you bought. If you bought it in June, we still want to see it. Doesn't have to be a Christmas present. Doesn't have to be unboxed or even come in a box. It could be thrifted. On the 7th, we will be announcing, and that's a group that is Penny's from Playful Reborn, Tina from Tina's Reborns and More, sorry Tina, and Dory's Dollies and myself. Each month on the 7th, we'll announce a theme for elf dolls. And I'll say it again, you can use any elf doll you like, and please interpret our themes any way you want. On the 9th, and this is an important one, Dory from Dory's Dollies and I will announce on the 9th of each month the theme for not only Dolls Gone Goth, but also Hi Barbie. Hi Barbie is a Barbie challenge. And we have that each month on the 18th. And we announce the theme on the 7th. That gives you a lot of time to get ready for it. And we also announce the following month's Amaya Rain theme. And they're different. Each of the doll categories are different. Dolls Gone Goth are your, let's call them more edgy dolls. On the 15th, Irene from Irene's Huff's Dolly Space, Gosha from Dolls, Trolls, and More, as well as Cynthia from Ambrosia's Dollhouse and I, announce each month on the 15th the theme for the Boy Doll Challenge, which is always on the 25th. On the 16th is Dolls Gone Goth. That's the video, the day of the challenge. The 18th is always the day of Barbie. As I said before, Amaya Rain is always on the 3rd of the month. And then the elf videos are the 21st. The boys are the 25th. There are other challenges and opportunities out there. I don't know if Mel from Living It Gigi Moss Style is going to continue her Mini Me series, but the Reborn people, how do I say that, always have weekly challenges, and there are a lot, and they're really fun. There are like Monster Monday, that is, I know Gilly the Monster hosts that one. There's Cheeky Monkey Monday, that's Cherish Cherub Nursery. J Dolls UK does a new clothes, I think it is, challenge. Penny from Playful Reborns does Wild Wednesday. There's a bunch of those, and if you want to know them all, I'll tell you how you can find out. Go to Penny's channel, Playful Reborns, or J Dolls UK. They seem to do them all, and you can just take a piece of paper each day, you know, set it by your computer and write down what they have each week. Tracy from Eclectic Wondering has, Show and Tell Wednesday. And that is just show and tell anything you want about your dolls. Pay attention to her channel, because sometime this month she's going to have her box challenge, where you take a box and set it up like a room or whatever for a doll, and she has all the details on her channel. I'm sure I am forgetting people, and I don't mean to. I try to get as many out there as I can, but I want to move on. I do want to say, when it comes to the Barbie challenge, the Amaya Rain challenge, the Dolls Gone Goth challenge, even the boys and the elves, you do not have to sew for them. It's always fun if you do, but you don't have to. Darren and I have a lot going on our channel, so much so that I wrote this down. First of all, on our website, both websites, we have two websites, whimsicalblythe.com and dollsrescue.com. And yes, we know we have a glitch in our shop that's not showing anything but Blythe. We are working on that. Darren is the tech guy, and I'm telling you, he has been working 80 hours a week at his real job. So we're not neglecting it, we just haven't had time. We're also going to be getting free PDF patterns uploaded to the Whimsical Blythe channel of patterns that I have made myself for all size Blythes, from the Neo originals, the Kinners, the Takars, blah blah, the dolls from AliExpress, the Chubbies, the new Pop Mart with changing eyes, the boys, all of that. I am working currently on patterns, and Darren's going to get those ready for PDF download. We're also going to have more for sale on our websites. Our channels. We have a lot coming up on our channel. We have giveaways, and one of the things is I am hosting a Easter /fun challenge. It's also a collab. It's a collab that's going to be opened up as a challenge. Anybody can join in. Darren and I bought, I think there's 5 of these, Darren. There may just be 4. See how she has her hands out to show you her new fingernail polish? Oh yes, I have new fingernail polish. I have my little bunny girl, her face up done. I'm very, very pleased. We are mailing out 5 dolls. 2 I know are spoken for, and the 3rd one I have asked someone to email me. I have not heard back, so I'm going to have 2 or 3 of these dolls going out. It's not just the doll unless you're out of the country. They're also going to have a stand, this outfit, and some other good, I'm trying to remember what all's in that. There's shoes, there's, look at these. These are adorable. I want to show you this. We're sending cord for the back string. If you want to double cord it, we're going to send some rings. Look at these. I love these. Darren makes them. Don't fall, sweetheart. Ah, I hit her in the back. These little chocolate bunnies are also going to come with the doll. It's a big deal because the shipping on this is not cheap. So I am asking, if you do take a doll, these are for a collab. This is not a free gift. It is well, it is a free gift, but it's not just a gift. It is for a purpose of doing a video, not a short, a full video showing your, let me get her standing here. I've got her head more up than down, and the balance is a little different. Showing your doll, and you can purchase these or make them two outfits, the little bunnies. An Easter bunny outfit and a Playboy bunny outfit. And if the Playboy bunny is not your cup of tea, that's okay. This isn't your collab challenge. It's not a problem. But we need to know, and we need to get these out because it's January. We're going to be doing this. Oh, we haven't set a date yet. But let me see. Easter is early this year, really early. It's the 31st of March. So we're going to be doing these probably the, well, somewhere 11th or 13th or 19th of March. I haven't set it. I got to look at everything else first, but somewhere along there. So if you are interested, we need to know that. There will be a drawing. This is for my active subscribers. That's people that watch my channel, leave a like, and leave a comment. And I don't mean just today. Today's a good time to start, but I'm talking about all the time. Let's see, what else? Oh, we have this little girl who's going to be getting her hair done. I've started her 3 or 4 times. I just didn't have time through the holiday, but I do have her hair tied back, try to relax a little more, and she is standing in my contraption that I work on here. See how I can pull back on here and still, they're not falling over in the stand. I have my Blackfoot Indian apart. She is waiting for a neck joint. Darren ordered a darker color. The dark that we had wasn't dark enough for a neck joint, so that's what she's waiting on. Here's the Barbie shoes, so I remember to tell you that we have something really fun coming up in January. We will be telling you more about that on the 9th. And then I wanted to show you what I found at Love's. I showed you the other 2 purses. Darren, can you hand me those or no?
I might be able to.
I found this one the other day. It was not what I was looking for. I'm looking for the cats. But the cats like this, not with the other, let's say, stuff behind them. It's the ones they have now are way busy, and I'm going to tell you, quite ugly. But I found these 2 there. These 2 were $5.99 each. They're the perfect size for an AG or an Amaya Rain. Your 28-inch Barbies, 24-inch Bratz dolls, any of those. This one has flocking or velveteen, and it was $9.99. I just thought those were cute. They had this one for $5.99. I bought it. I did because I'm going to rework this for my little Tinny. She's got a new outfit coming up. This would have been perfect for a New Year's Eve purse, and it might be a little large, but come on, it's really cute. So I bought it. I think that wraps up what I wanted to tell you about. No, it doesn't. BlytheCon. BlytheCon is going to be in Las Vegas this year. The theme is space. What is just space, or is there
It's space-ish. The mascot is some kind of
the green
kind of an alien.
Yeah. That's going to be in Las Vegas on August 25th. We do plan to be there. There's a lot in the air that we might not get to go, but we're planning to be there. In fact, I am making items right now to go in the goodie bags. Stay tuned to Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Polly and Tapping Flamingo with Terry, and they are going to have more news coming down the line on the virtual Blythe retreat. They usually announce that just before spring or around spring. And I'm looking forward to finding out about it. Can you think of anything else, Darren? Oh, May the 4th. I should start talking about May the 4th. Darren and I host a May the 4th, and that is all things Star Wars. And it is a challenge put out to everybody to just show anything Star Wars that you have, particularly your dolls and figurines or dolls dressed in Star Wars items. Thank you for watching. I really hope you'll participate. Don't let the winter get you down. Focus on the fun. Join in on the challenges. This is such a wonderful community. I can't tell you how many honest to goodness friends I have made through YouTube. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.